Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to review this Holyland. See, this is the Holyland. You can see, Holyland Lark M2. So I'm using this using my laptop, and then here already connected, and then this is the mode when I press on or I turn on the noise reducer. I mean noise removal or what it's called. I'm not really sure. So right now I'm here on the cafe, and I'm really near of speakers. It sounds music, it plays music, and then hear my sound. Let's compare if I turn off the noise reduction. So now I will turn off this because the button is on the microphone here. You see the yellow one. If I turn it off, now the noise removal already removed. I don't know if you hear any difference. Okay, and then I will turn it on, gonna turn it on again. Okay, now the noise removal already turned on, and the thing is, I have if I want to make a really clear voice, I believe I have to make the microphone or the transmitter really near to my mouth. But if I put like on my shirt like this, wait, it falls down. Okay, I will put it on my shirt. Okay, now on my shirt, uh, as my as my uh, as my experiment previously, it sounds a little bit noisy because I don't know, the engine or the algorithm feels that my sound not really loud, so it's still. I believe now you hear some voice background music. Here the quality. Now I will compare if I turn off or I'm not using this microphone. So I will plug I will plug out the dongle of this Holyland Lark M2. And here the dongle already turned off. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'm using my own laptop microphone. It's built-in microphone. I'm using Asus Duo Pro, which is the microphone I believe at least middle upper average on the quality, but hear the sound. So what do you think? Which one is better? Built in my microphone. On here I will plug in again this Holyland dongle. See, now dongle. I'm using the Holyland dongle through my shirt, and if I put the microphone here, I think it's much better if I put this microphone near of my mouth because I know the algorithm this built-in algorithm makes it like this. So what do you think? Which one is better? So I hope this video helpful for you and give some insight for you for your consideration before buying this Holyland Lark M2. For me, it's quite worth it. For me, it's quite worth it. The price I bought it for in USD, I believe about 100. Yeah, $100. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.